Hello everyone, just to introduce you, internet, these are people, this is the internet, say hello to the internet people. So today we're talking about bell ringing and the mathematics of bell ringing. Now one thing that bell ringers might try to do is to ring out all possible combinations of their bells. Now what we've got here are 4 handbells. They're actually numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're coloured as well. We've got red, orange, yellow and green. Now if we want to ring out all the possible combinations of 4 handbells, well that's 24. There's 24 sequences of 4 handbells, and that's what we're going to do. So first of all, I think we should have a practice with this. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a sound off, and we're going to ring out 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. You knew what was next. Good. Now, not only that though, we are going to ring out all the possible combinations of 4 handbells, but not only that, because the cube has 24 permutations as well. I can rotate this cube in 24 ways. Each face has 4 possible ways to, there are 6 faces, there are 24 ways to rotate or orientate this cube. Now, that is the permutation of the 4 opposing corners. And what I've done is I've coloured the 4 opposing corners in the same colours as the handbells. I've numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're in the same colours, red, orange, yellow and green. So, you might be able to see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as my volunteers here are ringing out the changes, I will be rotating this cube in the same way. And underneath, the mathematics is the same. There will be a number of sequences going underneath the screen, and the sequences is a bridge between the mathematical world of rotations of a cube and the musical world of bell ringing.
Already.
If you have been, thanks for watching. Bye.
Brilliant. Well done.